especially in the condition that it was in. I thought it was too far gone, but they made me a believer in good bodywork and good paintwork, and this car would not be what it is today without them. And a big thanks to the video crew, Nick, Chris, and Fabian, for running around getting all the footage of this car, documenting everything that we did. This is something that I would really like to show my kids, and it's going to be a nice little legacy piece that I'm pretty excited about. I know I've talked about this car to a lot of people, gotten a lot of opinions on what we should add, what we should do to this car, a lot of good feedback. Can't thank y'all enough, and I appreciate all of the kind words and all of the feedback on this car.
Ooh.
Let us know in the comments below.
Okay. Okay. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, man. Alright, so that's the end of the video, y'all, man. Shout out to LMR, man. I ain't gonna lie, this second video is way better than the first one, man. I appreciate y'all for helping my boy Tyler get his car right. Shout out to you, Scott, for helping him find his car. Even after he had to let it go, man. That was an amazing thing right there from you, Scott. So, me personally, I thank you, man. I appreciate you, because without this video, man, probably wouldn't have had no inspiration to make my dream come true. But hey, man, everybody who tuned into this video, I appreciate you. Y'all can follow my Twitch, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. Make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's all in the description right here. It'll be in the description on the bottom of the video, but it's all right here on the bottom of the video. But man, make sure y'all support your boy. If y'all wanna see me prevail and make a video.